Hello, myself Pratik Gutke, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering Department, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Welcome to this High Voltage Engineering Lab. So we will begin with first experiment in High Voltage Engineering Lab, that is to check the dielectric strength of a transformer oil. Now moving towards the setup. This is our actual setup. First we have to plug in the socket and start the button. In this setup we are having this assembly where transformer oil has been placed. Transformer oil has been submerged in two electrodes, that is anode and that is cathode. What we are doing, we are pouring the transformer oil above the electrodes, and this is safety door so that no one should touch that transformer oil assembly. What we are doing here, we are having knob to raise the voltage. This is voltmeter which is in kilovolts, 0 to 60. The range of this meter is 0 to 60 kilovolt. First of all, what we have to do, we have to start the mains, and then with this button we have to start our setup. First of all, we have to start HT side. HT side, that is high tension side. We have started here. See, red light is blinking. When I will start, this red light will blow off. See, red light has been blown off, means HT is now on. Now what I have to do, I have to increase the voltage by using this variac. In voltmeter, I will see the rise of the voltage, and what we have to check that at some particular voltage, this strength of this transformer oil to acquire the electricity, it will get breakdown. Means what we will say that this is the voltage capacity of this transformer oil. In this setup, we can check many experiments or industrial oils which are used in industries, such as industrial oil, our vegetable oil. I mean, oil, what is the function of oil in transformer? To insulate between primary and secondary side. Also to cool down the transformer voltage. Now I will raise the voltage from 0 up to which now the breakdown of this electricity will be done. Now I am raising the temperature. See, temperature is rising and the voltage is also increasing. At particular voltage, there will be a spark between this anode and electrode, anode and cathode. After that, with increase in voltage, there will not be any spark. Now I am rising voltage, it is 5 kV, 5 kilovolts. Rising the voltage, and up to some voltage there will be a spark in this transformer oil. That we have to note, and that we can say that the dielectric strength or disruptive voltage of the transformer oil will be this much kV. Now it is 20 kilovolts. Still there is no spark we have produced in this setup. At 22 kilovolts we have seen a spark in this transformer oil. Means the dielectric strength of this transformer oil, it is 22 kV, beyond which this transformer oil will not act as a insulator. This way we have completed this experiment. Now what we have to do, note down this reading and make the HT off and reduce the voltage up to 0 kV. Then this 0 start will be on, and we have to make off the main switch. After doing this, remove the plug from the socket. This way, very easy experiment, that is to check the dielectric strength of a transformer oil or insulator oil. This setup we have done. Thank you.